Introducing the Kaystar KE-20A, the electric forklift that redefines efficiency and reliability for modern warehouses and industrial operations. Designed for versatility, the KE-20A features a robust 2-ton capacity, making it the perfect solution for handling a wide range of materials in indoor environments. Powered by a high-performance lithium-ion battery, the KE-20A delivers up to 4 hours of continuous operation on a single charge, ensuring you stay productive all day long and with zero emissions. It's not just powerful, it's eco-friendly too. With its compact design, the KE-20A excels in tight spaces, maneuvering effortlessly through narrow aisles and congested work areas. Whether it's smooth flooring or challenging terrains, the KE-20A ensures stability and reliability in every operation. The KE-20A's intuitive control system and ergonomic design make it easy for operators to perform tasks with minimal training, reducing downtime and increasing workplace safety. Equipped with a high lifting mass, the KE-20A can reach impressive heights, offering the flexibility to handle various storage needs, whether in warehouses, distribution centers, or factories. What's more, the KE-20A offers all the features of a heavy-duty forklift at a fraction of the cost of diesel-powered alternatives. That means lower operating expenses and a higher return on investment. Experience the power, efficiency, and versatility of the Kaystar KE-20A electric forklift, engineered for performance, built for your success. To learn more, visit w.a forklift.com and see how the KE-20A can revolutionize your business.